Welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'll be going to show you that how you will be able to print the SPY number in Python. Okay. First of all, I want to give you one important notification regarding my website which I have created. Link will be given in the description. Please go and like that website, and I'll be very much happy if you do so. Okay, you will get lots of information regarding cyber security, ethical hacking, and all those things. Okay, so let's move into the video part. So here I have written the program. You can see here, first I have made a variable named val, and I have declared it with 0 and have assigned 0 on that variable. Then I have also created another variable with the name of val1, and here I have assigned it 1. Okay, I'll be explaining you while I'll be going through this program that why I have given val 0 and val1 1. Okay, so first, when the program starts, this two variable will be created in the memory, and then it will be asking from the input that enter the number to check it's a SPY number or not. Then there is a while loop which will be a condition that while num is greater than 0. It means that the loop will be running till the value of num does not become 0. When the value of num will be becoming 0, then this loop will be ending. Okay, and inside that loop I will be doing what I have made a variable naming pr1, which is part 1. Okay, you can say it part 1 or pr1, anything. Now what I have done is that I have taken that num which the user has an input, and then I have done a modulus of 10. After this, what I'll get the last part of that number, which will be, if I'll be putting here 1124, then I'll be getting here 4. Okay, so in that variable part 1, 4 will be stored. Then what happened, then another time I have done what I have minus that part 1 from num. Say for example the number was 1124, so 11244 will be minus and the number will become 1120. Now what I have done, I have divided that number with the int statement. Why I have put here int? Because if I will be normally dividing, then the number will be becoming float. Okay, point decimal, I will not require point decimal, because if I will be taking the point decimal, then my program will be not functioning properly. So I have made it int, and in this case what will happen, 1124, and 4 has been minus, then 1120. So when I will divide 1120, I will get 112. Okay, now what I have done, 112 divide is completed. Now what I have done, I have make a val variable, val, that val I have kept 0, so I have declared 0, so 0 plus part 1. And what was there in the part 1? In the first iteration of the loop there was 4 in that part 1, so 0 plus 4, 4 has been stored. Okay, now what I have done, I have made val1 with 1 and have multiplied 1 with 4, then 4 ones are 4, and val1, 4 has been stored in val1. Then I have checked the condition, so this will be going through, means one time the loop will be running, then again the loop will run, then again the loop will run till that number will become 0. And in my case what will happen, 4, then 2 will be added, then 1 will be added, and then again 1 will be added. And in for multiplication, 4 will be multiplied with 1, then 1 will be multiplied, 2 will be multiplied, then 1 will be multiplied, and then again 1 will be multiplied. And in my case what will become the value, at last the value will become 8 and 8. Okay, then what I have done, I have checked the condition that if the val is equal val1, then yes, it is a SPY number, because I have told you that if the multiplication and the addition of a number is same, then it's a SPY number, or else it's not a SPY number. So come on, let's see and run this program. So in my case 1124 is a SPY number. Okay, so 1124, and then press enter, and you can see here in the console it has printed yes, it's a SPY number. If I will again run the program, and here in this time I will type here 11, no, it's not a SPY number. Okay, because 1 and 1 is 1, 1 into 1 1, and 1 plus 1 2. Okay, say for example I will be running here for 2 2 2, So 2 into 2 4 and 2 plus 2 4. Yes, it's a SPY number. Okay, so you can see how the program works. So I hope that you have liked this video. If you have not understood any part, please comment below. I'll be explaining you. And please like, share and subscribe my channel. And I've also made mention there in the first time of my video that I have made a website. Please do visit that website, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. So thank you. Bye bye.